Hello again, welcome back. This is just a quick update video on my winter project, Honda SP1. If you see my last video, you'll know that I've got a bit more done. I was in the middle of giving her a good deep clean, which is all done. It's too dark to see, but she's nice and clean now. Got the tank back on. So today just came the new carbon cans from Delkevic. Ordered them on Wednesday. This is now Friday, so excellent delivery service. Can't complain about that. So let's go ahead and I'll get straight into the unboxing and you can see what you get for your money. Nice. Couple of straps. Nice, still have a protective cover on them. Let's get into these. Oh, that looks nice. No sharp edges. Nice stainless steel clamp. Got their logo in that there. That's nice. Nice attention to detail, even the plastic bags have their brand on it. Lovely. This will be the cards. I think this is this little bit of sealant. Again, has the brand on it. Nice wee touch. Let's get into these. Looking forward to seeing them. These are the 450mm. Nice. I got that one. Again, nice clamps. Wow, that is pretty. Look at that weld. No sharp edges. Really light. Branding again, it's very nice. That's the baffle. And that alarm bolt there, that should pop out. Like that, impressed with that. Oh, that's a silicone strap for inside there. Far so good. Same again. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm really pleased with those. Value for money, I should say. These cost me £339, which I think is really good value for the quality that you're getting there. And well packaged, fast delivery. I'm looking forward to trying these. Now I will be making another video when I'm fitting these on. Unfortunately, I've had to order a couple of these from Honda. That goes in there, and there's a little insert as well which is missing, which is where these bolt onto, so that's a crappy bolt that was on the originals. I've got new stainless bolts coming for that, so I'll have to wait. Oh yeah, I've also got a nice alloy racing hanger there coming as well, so I don't have to fit the standard pillion foot pegs just to hang the pipes off. So I'm waiting on those bits and pieces. Hopefully maybe a week or so. Next weekend maybe we'll get all this together. We'll get it on the bike. We'll see how it sounds. I'll probably take baffles out and baffles in. See what you think. Right guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. All the best.